Hey guys, I'm Lydia. For those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do know, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be making a bruschetta. Okay, it's not the traditional Italian bruschetta. I'm going to throw my own mixes and seasonings in there. But this is how I like to make it. So I figure we can get away from the baking this week and do something nice, light, and snacky. So if you want to learn how to make my Italian bruschetta, just follow along, guys.
Alright guys, so right here you see me, I just took out my French bread out my bag and I'm just going to cut it into about an inch thick slices, and I'm only about to cut 6 slices of bread. Okay, and I'm just going to save the rest for a different recipe. So that's about as thick as I cut it, and I just line it up on my pan, giving it enough space. And then I'm about to put the rest away. So now I'm going to season my bread. I got some olive oil I'm just drizzling on top. I'm also going to season it with some freshly ground black pepper. And then I'm also going to grab my Italian seasoning. And I'm just putting it in my hand first so I can control how much goes on actually each slice of bread. Then I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes at broil. So now I have my vegetables, I have a big old tomato, and I have 2 bell peppers, a green and an orange. So I'm going to cut my tomatoes to about a 1/4 inch thick pieces, just nice little cubes. And I'm just going to take the little slimy part out. I don't know what it's called, but it's the seeds and it's kind of slimy-ish. So I'm just going to take that part out and I'm going to cut up my tomatoes, okay? And I'm only going to cut half of the tomato. I don't need the whole thing because, like I said, I'm only making 6. I'm not making the whole loaf. So I'm just dicing that up and I'm going to put it in the bowl. Now I'm moving on to my bell peppers. Again, that's an orange bell pepper I'm currently cutting. And then I'm going to also cut up the green, and again, it'll be into about 1/4 inch cubes. Now, guys, this recipe, again, you can make it any type of way and add anything you want to it, whatever your heart desires. So right now I have everything in a bowl and I'm just going to season it up with some more olive oil. I have a little bit of garlic, and I use the garlic in a jar. You can also use fresh garlic, whatever one you choose. Then I have some pink salt. I've got addicted to that when I was on keto and I just use it for everything. Some more Italian seasoning and then some more fresh ground black pepper. And just mix that up, guys, and give it a little taste and add some more seasonings or whatever else you want, just to make sure it's the way you want it.
Okay, guys, so we're down to the final moments. All right, so our bread came out the oven. Let me hold them bottom too so I can tilt that. They look really good. They're toasted very nicely. Like I said, I drizzled it with olive oil, salt, pepper, and some Italian seasoning. And they are hard and crunchy. Okay, and then I have my mixture right here. So I'm literally just going to spoon some on. And is it going to be a little messy? Yes. But that's how I like it. So guys, this is like the most simplest bruschetta recipe you can do. Like I said, this is how I like mine. They have another version where the tomatoes are cooked. I know a lot of people don't like raw vegetables. I love raw vegetables. I actually went on a raw food diet for like 3 months, which I can say was honestly great, and I need to get back on it. But it was really good. Everything I had to be raw, not cooked or anything. Fruits and vegetables only, no meats. But like I said, that was really good. And this is actually why I started making it, because I had to get creative with what I was eating, because I didn't want to just eat some carrot sticks and dip it in blue cheese all day. Let me know if you're a fan of blue cheese, by the way, because I am not a ranch girl at all. So, I know I probably made a lot of people mad, but you're not going to click away because you still like me. You know, we here. Anyway, this is what our bruschetta looks like. Alright, it just looks delicious to me. And I'm seeing... You know I'm going to eat one, right? Okay. Well, just want to let you know that's what I'm looking for. Because I'm looking for... this looks like the best one for me to eat. Making a mess. Just like I remember. Guys, I haven't made this recipe in like, I want to say about a year. Okay. It's so good. It's still so good. It's very light. It's airy. I don't know how, that's how it feels to me. But it is very light. It's not heavy at all. The heaviest part of this recipe, guys, is the bread. But the flavors are there. You taste everything. The olive oil, that salt, that pepper, it just all brings it out to me. And I really want to take another bite, but I'm just trying to explain it to you. But I just want to let you know, if you watched it, if you watched this video to this point, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell right next to it, guys, so it can notify you every time we make a new video. Every time. Because if it don't notify you, you'll be missing out on recipes like this. But please hit that button. Please hit that like button. Let's get to 500 likes on this video, guys. I don't think that's a stretch. I really don't. So hit that like button. Especially if you like this video. Share it with your friends and family. But I'll see you guys next Sunday for our next video. Thank you.